You can also add style to texts and work with WordArt inside of Google Drawings. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go around and click on Insert menu right here. And then over here, you can see WordArt is an option. So once you click on WordArt, you can go around over here and type in the text that you want to make a word art with. So I'm just going to go around, type in TutorTube and press enter right here. And then what happens is that you have TutorTube, as you can see. So if you were to go around over here, you can see that now you can work around with this as you were working with any shape. You can resize this, you can rotate this around right here. So if I were to go around over here and then go to gradient, you can choose a gradient of your choice, and then gradient has been added, as you can see right here. You can work around with border color right here. So if I were to go around over here, select out color just like this. You can also go around, increase out, let's say for example, the border size right here. Let's say for example, just like this. You can go around over here and then change the size of the border color and even change out the border style if you want to, as you can see right here. So you can see that you can really make your text artistic according to how you like it. You can go around over here and then go around over here and change the font's style as well according to how you like it as well. So if I were to go around over here, select this out, this is what you have. You can also go to format option right here, add in effects such as drop shadow, such as reflection right here, as you can see, to make it much more interesting. So if I were to rotate this around, you can see that all of the things actually happen out. So let me just increase up the distance right here. Let's say, for example, increase up the size of the reflection over here as well. You can even work around with transparency, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with WordArt in Google Drawings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.